planter wall blocks. They help keeping the wood in together. Look, it's compost. Soil. It provides nutrients. It's topsoil, and it helps level out the soil. Hi, my name's Nia, and today I'm going to tell you on how to build a home garden. First, you're going to need wood and bricks. Then you're going to need manure and soil. If you don't know what manure is, it's cow poop. Then you're going to need, seeds, like these in my hands. I planted spinach, tender greens, well, as most of us know it, beans, green beans, and tomatoes and onions. I don't eat onions, but I do love spinach and green beans. So the rest of the crops that I don't need and that I don't like, I'm going to give them away to a food donation. And that's really all. And so next I'm going to tell you about the back of the plant. So right here it has the type, which you don't really need to know, how deep it is, how much space it needs, the sunlight, the height, and that's it, and how long it takes to do it. So a person wants to know this because, well, you need to know how deep it is, because if you plant it too deep, it might not grow up and it will grow down in the ground. Well, some plants don't need that, some do. And if you plant it too high, it might be getting too much sun, and then it will just be crispy. And so now that I'm talking about the sun, as you see, we don't really see the sun right now. But some plants don't need that much sun. They just need a little bit of sun. And so if I planted those, I'd probably plant them in the shade. And other plants, like sunflowers, I planted some right there, they need sun, so they're just gonna grow totally. But since there's not a lot of sun, they're probably not gonna grow big like the big ones, but they are gonna grow. And so next, well, I don't know. Well, I do know something else. You're gonna need this underseed layer, anything that will cover it, the dirt. So if you don't want weeds in it, because the weeds will stop the growing, like all the weeds over here. So we put something under it so that it will grow better and there won't be any weeds growing. So I'm gonna wrap it up, and I'm going to say bye, and see my other video later. Bye. Nia out.